What is up mga gamers? Ito nga pala ang Jericho Gaming. At sa araw na ito maglalaro na naman tayo ng isang Blacksmith episode. This is episode 6 and this was supposed to be episode 8. Pero, you know, napaka ng boses ko doon, napaka no energy.
Okay.
So, yeah, nakakatamad ng edit. Tataas-taasan ko pa yung volume. And no, I don't wanna do that. And as you can see, nasa second scene na po tayo. And I'll show you what I did from my previous post that I haven't posted. Ano daw?
Bruh.
My previous videos that I haven't posted. Diba? And as you can see, ito na po ang ating gamit. We have 1.3 million. Supposed to be a lot. But I am on a... supposed to be the 6th episode is buying everything on the first sea. Well, I didn't accomplish that. And this was all the things I can buy. I hope my mic. Okay, wala naman pala akong mic. Nasanay siya sa pag-mic. Oh, tas hindi na naman ako naririnig dito. I swear, bro, pag mahina yung boses ko, i-check ko muna bago ko ituloy. Let's go!
A few moments later.
My voice was fine, but it's not that loud. So, tataasan ko na naman yung volume na export ko na naman. Tapos, export ko na naman ulit. Tataasan na volume. Ano yung pinagsasabi ko? Di ko na alam. Anyways, ito po ang ating nakuha. Meron na po tayong saber from... Sino ba yung ando doon? Basta yung ando doon. Alam nyo na yun. And we have Buddha fruit. Binili ko to. Di ko to hiningi Binili ko to from Blacksmith dealers. When I was like, you know, grinding for 700. Tumingin ako sa stocks and I found Buddha. So, ayun. Pinili ko si Buddha and alam kong makakatulong to sa akin. Trinay kong magpatulong sa pag-awaken. Pero hindi na. Kasi we must grind this our own, you know. And kailangan natin mag-improve ng avatar. Pero okay na to. This is the best avatar that you could ever see. And we have our haki as well. So, yeah. Tayo na nga po ay magpapatuloy sa pag-grind na naman, diba? So, para hindi patagalin, ano gagawin ko? Time lapse or ano? Or time lapse or levels. Ganon, basta yon, alam nyo na yun. Wala pa pala akong observation hackinism, 'di ba? 750k lang yun. Pwede na pala natin mabili. 750k lang. And also, ito alam ko talaga to. So, lalabas tayo ng rocket fruit na ilang beses na natin nakuha. Yay! Lilipad-lipad. Paano ba ulit? Yun. Uy, paano yun? Ayun. So, yeah. Wait lang. Bago tayo magpatuloy, tayo mag-i-spin ng prutas, diba? Bagal. Okay. Bebe, hello. So, ito nga naman, tatakpan ko ang aking kamay pang hindi ko ito makita. Rubber! That's amazing. Not bad, not good, not everything. Okay. Oh. Okay, ito na lang i-equip natin, ha. Di naman tayo mamamatay dahil tayo ang pinakamalakas na tao sa mundo.
Okay.
Sino to ulit? Kalimutan ko eh. Hello, instinct teacher. Yeah, I know. Yeah, give me it. Yeah, we have instinct now. Of course, papa-level natin ng papa-level. Pero ngayon tayo papupunta sa Fountain City. Ang layo-layo niyan papunta dun sa papunta second city. Pero di naman siya nakaspawn point dun. Pero pupuntahan na po natin siya. Store na naman. You are my rocket. Okay, hello experienced captain. Bring me back to second sea. Dami pang ano. Ilang minutes yun bago tayo makapagpag-grind? 8 minutes plus dagdag 3 minutes kanina is equals to 11 minutes. So, we wasted 11 minutes. Pero that's fine. Baby, that's time. Ano ba yan? Biglang kumakanta. Okay. Ito po ang ating area west. Area 1 quest giver. And of course, ito ang aking leveling. Try ko to ayusin unlike dati isa-isa, di ba? Di ba? And lalagyan natin to ng sound. You know, marinig niyo yung tan-tanan! Ano yun? Defeat 8 raiders. Ito ang mga raiders, no? Wait lang, wala pa akong stats. May 3 stats ako. Pero ano gawa ng black sprout ko? Walang gawa yung black sprouts ko dyan. So, we have to do that again. Di ba 700? Di ba? Mathematician to eh. Mali! Tatlo kasuhan ko. Napindot ko dalawa doon sa rima. Ano gagawin ng sword ko ngayon? Paano ko yan mapapapos? Wala akong pakiulitin mo yan. Ganyan! Sige nga. Ang kulit. Kasi, soon pa naman natin magagamit si sword, you know. 10 tanang isa. 10 lakad nyo. Ang ating gamit ay isang water kung fu. Tara, ito na nga ang aking leveling. Okay guys, we are now in our final quest. And ito na po siya, and magsa 725 nga po tayo. And yeah, ito na po ang last. Ano ba yan? Kanina pa sila fling ng fling. Ayun na po. New quest available. Open your compass. I don't need to use the same island anyways. Baby, this time. Ito na po. Mercenaria. These are the mercenaries. So yeah, once again, babalikan ko na lang kayo hanggang sa matapos na ako, hanggang sa mag-level 800 na to, kasi pahirap ng pahirap. Ano daw? Okay, I did not know this, that the next quest is 775, and it's that area right there, but I see someone ding at that. So we are currently switching on a new server, so we are here, and now this one I'm gonna show my leveling since 25 levels. As you can see, I have 2 times XP. I still had a code. Yeah, I still had a code, and I used that code. Yeah, there you have it. I have it. And I just want to tell you that I killed 2 person, and I got 4 bounties out of it, like 4 times bounties. You know. Yeah, you know, bro. And I got a title. Here's the picture of them, and here's the title. Amazing. Wait, I killed them 6 times actually. So yeah, I think someone, who was that? Is that the NPC? Anyways, here is the leveling of this part. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I was recording pala. Kala ko hindi. Anyways, as you saw that, diba, in-screenshot ko pa kasi akala ko di ako nagre-record. Anyways, Level 800 tayo, may nakuha na tayong The Explorer na title. We are now on our next quest. Ayan ang next quest natin. Pero, sa next episode na yan, kaya naman, namatay. Oh my gosh. Anyways, okay na nga, wag na nga yung, ano na yun, nakakainis. Okay na nga yung kanina. Anyways, we have got some titles, and we will see what title fits better. White and default is just the same, diba? We have big news code. That's a code. We also have the Explorer level 800. We have Kind-Hearted and the Kraken. We have Unstoppable Force here. Here, Unstoppable Force. We also have Risk Taker. And that's it. We're gonna wear Unstoppable Force. Okay, and before we end this video, we're gonna spin a fruit from Blocks Fruit Gacha. And we got Dun, 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 dun. I'm so happy with my fruit. It's the best fruit. Anyways, we got smoke. We already have. Never mind. And we have some stats. We're gonna use the stats. 297 on our melee. Okay, melee. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.